3 in DY Patil Stadium. I was in the stands where Bajji hit 49 of 18 balls and then went out to bowl the first over and got Adam Gilchrist caught in the slips by Sachin, who was the danger man. And then this weekend I was in Delhi watching the game when the Mumbai Indians had their backs against the wall and Harbhajan got 3 wickets in the over to win us the Champions League. So this passion and this attitude and love for the game is something that Harbhajan lives by and something that inspires us all. So I speak for everyone, not only everyone here, but all of India's cricket fans when I say we salute you, Bhaji. Thank you so much for the sixes, thank you so much for the wickets, and thank you so much for the memories, and we hope for many, many, many more. And this is
it has been designed by him
and manufactured by Mr. Vaidya.
This is something that I've got designed. It's a picture of you laser etched with the number of test wickets you have and the number of ODI wickets you have. For every wicket you have, there's a ruby bead, and it says lots of love from Rose the Watch Bar. And we're waiting for many, many more memories and many, many more wickets.
Super. Thank you. Because we could think of anything to give you. He came up with an idea. And he captained the Dhirubhai team. And he's
in my modest cricket career.
Thank you.
No, hold it.
Thank you. Dennis.
Our season starts next year.
Season starts next week.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. Please could you sign this as well and write a message for you?
Please stand together over the press.
And I want the captain and the vice captain of the cricket team, the Rose Rocks team, to be here. Vishal and Jesslyn.
Vishal good too.
Yeah.
Captain, please. Mera bag. आपके पैंट just wave to everyone. Just wave to everyone. The guys are waiting for you.
Right side.
हाँ मारला ना. हाँ हो गया. Thank you. Arjun.
Give it.
Baji, on your right. Baji, right to left, Baji. On your right. Oh, Baji, the right side. चलो, still. यहाँ पे. Baji, यहाँ पे. Baji, यहाँ पे मेरा हाथ.
नई घड़ी नया मत करा दिया.
वक्त में कभी खराबी नहीं होती है, बनने में खराबी होती है और नई घड़ियाँ नए वक्त आ रहे हैं और आने वाला वक्त बहुत अच्छा है.
But Sachin आखिरी टेस्ट अपना वानखेड़े स्टेडियम में, what's your take on that? Gupta.
Obviously, it's going to be a great moment and very emotional one for all of us. You know, we want him to play and keep playing alongside with him, but unfortunately he's not going to continue to play after 200 this match. But it's going to be a great moment for all of us. You know, it's going to be a very emotional one. मेरे लिए it'll be a very difficult thing to see Sachin Tendulkar walking out on the field for the last time. It's going to be very, very difficult for me to see. Yeah, he's been a great friend, you know, and all I want to say is that I wish him all the luck, all the success for his normal life now with his wife and with his family, with his kids. You know, I'm sure he's going to have a great time with his family and friends. You know, he didn't spend too many days, you know, during the days he was playing, but now he'll get quality time to spend with his family and friends. So I wish him all the luck and success. मेरा प्लान यही है कि मैं वापसी करूं टीम में और 200वां टेस्ट मैच में I would like to be part of the team and to give him the farewell. You know, कंधों पे उठा के घूमूं उनको. खैर सचिन एक ऐसे खिलाड़ी हैं जो हमेशा यंगस्टर के लिए हमेशा एक गाइडेंस की तरह वो रहते हैं। जब भी गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत होती है, ही इज़ ऑलवेज बीन देयर एंड ही इज़ द रीज़न फॉर मैनी ऑफ अस टू प्ले क्रिकेट। और ही इज़ नॉट जस्ट माई हीरो, ही इज़ प्रॉब्ली hero for a lot of us, you know, who are playing cricket, and it'll be very hard to see him going, and you know, it's going to be very tough for me to see him, you know, walking onto the field for the last time, and I hope he get a big 100 and he win the game for India.
बचपन में आप देखते थे उनको खेलते हुए तो किस तरह की फीलिंग्स होती थी आपकी, बचपन से आपने उनको एडमायर किया?
I mean, I've spent about 14-15 years with Sachin. You know, I remember when I met him for the first time. I was a little kid, and I've grown up with him. I've learned a lot from him. He's been fantastic, and बहुत यादगार लम्हे। रात खत्म हो जाएगी।
Last question, guys. Last question, right? One question.
बहुत यादगार लम्हे जब हम इकट्ठे खेले। वर्ल्ड कप जीतना उनके लिए, मुंबई इंडियन जो भी IPL जीती हैं, फिर चैम्पियंस लीग जीती है, उनको कंधे पे लेके हमने जो कोटला में घूमे हैं, वो बहुत यादगार चीज़ें हैं और मेरे लिए वो सदाबहार चीज़ें रहेंगी। और बहुत अच्छा वक्त गुजारा है उनके साथ, और आगे भी ग्राउंड पे हम मिले ना मिले पर ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस तो हम मिलते ही रहेंगे।
Thanks a lot, guys. I'm sorry.
What is your preparation?
My planning is to, you know, every game is an opportunity for me to make a comeback, you know, and I'm going to go out and give my best, you know, whatever I can in bowling, batting, and I'm leading in all zones, so just got to make sure that I do my best to get back and to make a comeback. I'll just go all out and
BCCI से उनको कंसल्टेट करने की तैयारी
that I don't know.
आप आ रहे हैं लास्ट मैच के लिए आप आ रहे हैं लास्ट मैच के लिए, तो उनका दूसरा टेस्ट मैच है उसके लिए
Hopefully I'll be part of the team only when he'll play the 200 test match. That's what I'm looking at, and कोशिश यही रहेगी मैं टीम में रहूँ, वो मैच इकट्ठे खेलें तो मज़ा आएगा। नहीं रहेंगे तो भी